You can't miss class and then just watch the video. This is just going over a lot of the stuff that I'm going to cover in class. Okay, sorry about this. Let me just get rid of that. Sorry about that. Hopefully this thing is recording still. Anyway, so the first thing I want to show you is how to. A lot of you are going to go home and you're going to want to install SOLIDWORKS in your home computer. From the feedback that I get from students, it can be a little bit of a pain to install. It's called form.html. If you don't have that up there, you're in the wrong site, so you need to figure that out, or you can type it up there if you want it. And if you type this in, where will it bring you? It'll bring you to the student access form. SOLIDWORKS Student License Program download version. You have to fill out all the information. Are you an educator? You're a student. Stick in your name. Joe, blogs, school name, Anne Arundel. Fill all this in correctly. Community college, school type, 2-year college, major. Let's have a look. It doesn't really matter. Mechanical, month of graduation. It's 12 months from now. So what is it going to be? It's going to be August 2015. City, Arnold, Maryland, postal code 21012, country USA, version 2014 to 2015. Get the most up-to-date version. VAR name, you don't need to worry about that. Email address, stick in the proper email. Stick in an email that you can access, because they're going to email you a code or something that you're going to have to put in. Make sure you put in the correct email. Now, school license ID, SDKID. You're going to have to put in a number here. I'm going to give you that number. Okay, I'm going to write it down I'm going to write it down on your first day of class. Don't share it with anyone else on the internet. We have 50 people that we can give this out to a year, so it's limited. So keep it yourself. It's your SDKID. Don't give it to anyone else. I'm going to give you this number, so don't worry about it. You'll have that number before you install this at home. Put in the right email address, click on request download. So what you're going to do is, hopefully you have a good internet connection at home, because it takes about 1 gigabyte of data. So it's going to take about at least a half an hour to do this. If you don't have the internet at home, you can do this in the college. The other thing you could do is you could bring your laptop in to the college and download this at the college. Well, it's going to take a little bit of time. Once you download the entire file, then you're going to install it. Once you're installing it, it's going to ask for some sort of number. It's going to ask for some sort of code. Where is that code? It's going to be in your email address that you provided. And then you should hopefully install it. I have a feeling it's going to take about 2 to 3 hours to install SOLIDWORKS. It's worth it. In order for me to purchase SOLIDWORKS and do some commercial work with it, it could cost me $4,000 or $5,000. You're getting a design package for a year, put up with a little bit of grief. It's going to take about 2 to 3 hours to install. So hopefully at this stage you have SOLIDWORKS installed at home, or you're going to use one of the SOLIDWORKS in the labs. So what are we going to do for this first? What are we going to do for this first lesson? I'm going to give you this PDF, and it's called SOLIDWORKS Lesson 1 Exercises. And all we're going to do is, for the first couple of weeks, we're going to just do 2D sketches like shown. We're not going to worry about creating funky 3D models. We're just going to spend a good 2 weeks just working on sketches, just 2D sketches like you see here. So what we'll do is we're just going to run through each sketch, and you'll see that the sketches start to get more and more complicated. We'll open up. So this is the main SOLIDWORKS. So what are we going to do? We're going to click on File, New, and hopefully this new SOLIDWORKS document will open up. You have a choice between a part, an assembly, or a drawing. Okay? We're going to spend about 2 to 3 months just working on parts. Okay? So what you want to do, click on Part and go OK. Okay? And this will open up. Now, this is the main ribbon. They call this a ribbon here. These are tabs. Now you're going to spend the majority of your time